This is an equation that's multiplying. 11/12 is being multiplied by y. Well, we still are solving equations, but this is a rational number. These are fractions and not whole numbers. Same operations apply. We get rid of multiplying on the left by dividing on the right. And what we do to one side, we do to the other side. That's going to leave us with 5 3/4 being divided by 11/12. Now, you can change these to mixed numbers. You can change this mixed number to an improper, and this will be 5 times 4 plus 3, which will be 23rd fourths, divided by 11/12. And if you remember how to divide fractions, keep, change, flip, you'll have 23. I wrote that wrong. You'll have 23/4 times 12/11. We can cross cancel. That'll be 1 and 3 right here. And so then we're multiplying 23 times 3, which is 69/11. And that would be the solution. We can leave it as 69/11, or we can change it back to a mixed number. Now, if you have Desmos open, you can take 5 3/4, press the division, and then put in 11/12 and see what happens. So I'm going to go over here to my calculator, and I'm going to open Desmos. And I'm going to type this in just the way you see it. So here's the calculator. The problem is 5 3/4 divided by 11/12. So I'm going to type in 5 fraction bar 3/4 divided by. Now look, it is important that when you type this in, that 5, you arrow over and press this little fraction button, and then you key in your 3/4. Be sure you press the cursor button to go over outside that fraction. Arrow over. If you do not arrow over, the fraction will not show up right, and you will not have the fraction bar under the fraction. The fraction bar needs to be under the fraction. If you don't arrow over, it will not be under the fraction. So now, here we have 5 3/4. I arrow over, and I'm going to divide that by 11/12, which is also a fraction. So I can either press this fraction bar right here, and then key it in, and I get 6, and look like 27 is repeating. That answer probably will not show on your test if it is a multiple choice question. And you see, if you press this little fraction bar on the end, it returns to us 69/11. Questions? If you follow through on the Math Excel, it'll take you step by step. Please use the calculator as needed, but also know how to multiply and divide manually.